Lord Shiva, the destroyer, is the Lord of meditation, yoga, and time. Through this quiz, let's know more about the Mahakal and the Supreme Lord Mahadev.
If you have not subscribed to our channel Quiz Kids yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification.
According to Hindu mythology, who are called as Trinity or Tridev? Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva are called as Trinity or Tridev. Each Lord of Trimurti has a special responsibility. What is Shiva's primary responsibility? Lord Shiva is called as God of Destruction. Lord Brahma is called as the Creator, and Lord Vishnu is called as the Protector. Lord Shiva is responsible for destruction before each yuga and new creation. Who is Lord Shiva's wife? Sati and Mata Parvati are Lord Shiva's wives. After the demise of Sati, Lord Shiva married Mata Parvati. Mata Parvati is considered as incarnation of Sati. Who is the father of Sati, the wife of Lord Shiva? Answer is, it's Daksh Prajapati. Sati had married Lord Shiva against the will of her father Daksh Prajapati. What are the names of Lord Shiva's children? Lord Shiva has two children. Elder son is Lord Ganesh and his younger son is Lord Kartikeya. What is the primary weapon of Lord Shiva? It's the Trishul or trident. The trident symbolizes will, action, and knowledge. What is the name of Lord Shiva's bow? Lord Shiva's bow is called as Pinak. Who is the Vahan or carrier of Lord Shiva? It's a bull named Nandi. What's the name of the snake wrapped around Lord Shiva's neck? The snake's name is Vasuki. Lord Shiva blessed Vasuki for his participation in Samudra Manthan and wore him as an ornament. Which sacred river flows from the hair of Lord Shiva? Answer is River Ganga. Why Ganga descended on Shiva's head? Direct flow of Ganga would have destroyed earth. Hence, Bhagirath prayed Lord Shiva to help. Lord Shiva agreed and he received Ganga in his matted locks. That's why his another name is Gangadhar. During Sagar Manthan, what did Lord Shiva consume to save the universe? Lord Shiva consumed halahal or Kalkut poison. After consuming the poison, Lord Shiva's throat became blue. That's why Lord Shiva's another name is Nilkant. Why water is offered to Lord Shiva during the month of Shravan or Sawan? Lord Shiva drank the halahal poison in the month of Shravan. To reduce the effect of the poison, all the gods started offering water to Shiva. It became a ritual. Where does Lord Shiva live? Lord Shiva's abode is on mountain Kailas. Which leaf is offered to Lord Shiva during puja? It's the bel leaf or wood apple leaf. Who is considered as incarnation of Lord Shiva? Lord Hanuman is considered as incarnation of Lord Shiva. Where did Lord Shiva narrated Amar Katha, the secrets of being immortal, to Mata Parvati? Lord Shiva revealed the secret to Mata Parvati in a cave at Amarnath. Which Puran is considered as the 8th Puran in Hinduism that centers around Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati? Answer is Shiv Puran. Which are Lord Shiva's favorite flowers? Akh and Datura are Lord Shiva's favorite flowers. What is the name of Lord Shiva's cosmic dance? Lord Shiva's cosmic dance is called as the Tandav. Shiva's Tandav is described as a vigorous dance that is the source of the cycle of creation, preservation and dissolution. As per Mahabharata, Lord Shiva gave which weapon to Arjun during his heaven visit? Lord Shiva gave Pasupatastra to Arjun during his heaven visit. Lord Shiva gave boon to which god that he will be worshipped first before beginning of every puja? Answer is Lord Ganesh. Which form of Lord Shiva is known as the Lord of Animals and Beasts? Answer is Pasupati. Proofs have been discovered that people in Indus Valley civilization were worshipping Pasupati. How many Jyotirlings are there? 12 Jyotirlings are there. Dwadash Jyotirling Stotram describes them. Lord Shiva killed the monster Jalandhar using which weapon? It's Sudarshan Chakra.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kids and press the bell icon for notification.